Welcome to your lesson on quartiles. Notice quartile sounds a lot like quarter, and that's where the word comes from. It's taking data and dividing it into quarters. This is another big idea in statistics. First of all, let's add notes to your notes page. You'll notice some blanks. So first of all, quartiles divide an ordered set of data values into quarters. The median is another name for the second quartile, Q2. So in other words, the median divides the data in half, right? So that's called Q2. The lower or first quartile, Q1, is the median, and then it goes on to say of those observations to the left of the median in an arranged set of observations. What this basically means is it's the median of the first half of the data. And the upper or third quartile, called Q3, is the median of the upper half of the data. The interquartile range is like the range of all the data, but instead of looking from the lowest to the highest and finding the range, we look just from Q3 to Q1. So how spread out is the data between Q3 and Q1? And you find that by doing Q3 minus Q1. Let's use this. So here's a problem. Here's a data set. We want to find the median, lower, and upper quartiles and the interquartile range of this data set. First of all, always rearrange the data in order. So I've taken that data, it's reordered. And now you're trying to find the median, which is Q2, and Q1 and Q3 as well. Let's begin with the median. The median Q2. Remember, we find the position of the median by doing n plus 1 divided by 2. So we have 12 pieces of data. So 12 plus 1 divided by 2 ends up being 13 over 2, which tells us the position of the median is at position 6.5 in this data. So please find the median. All right, hopefully you found out 6.5 is somewhere right there. It's between 9 and 10, and that means you just find the average of 9 and 10. 9 plus 10 divided by 2, and that's 9.5. So the median value is 9.5. It's the value right in the middle here. All right, next, find Q1. Q1 was defined as the median of the lower half. So if this is Q2, Q1 is going to be in here. What's the median value of this lower half? Think of just this data, ignore the rest of this data, and find the median here. Right, hopefully you're thinking, well, the median is right in the middle between those two, because this data has 6 points, and then we want to go right in between here. So it's going to be 5 plus 6 divided by 2, 5.5. So the Q1 value, or the median of the lower half, is right here. Now think of the upper half. To find Q3, you're going to do the same thing. So find Q3. Where's the median of the upper half? All right. Hopefully you thought right there, because we have 3 here, 3 here. So the middle is going to be right in there. And to find that median, you're going to do 13 plus 15 divided by 2, which gives you 14. That makes sense. 14 would be the number right in between those. So here's our median, Q2. Here's our Q1. Here's our Q3. We have our quartile values. Those three divide the data into quarters. Now the interquartile range is the difference between Q3 and Q1. So what is it? Well, Q3 is 14, Q1 is 5.5. The range from here to here is 8.5. That's our interquartile range.